Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious green lentil soup. We'll start by understanding the core ingredients. Green lentils are fantastic because they maintain their structure, giving your soup a lovely bite. You'll also need foundational aromatics like onion, carrots, and celery, along with warming spices such as cumin and paprika. A good vegetable broth and a touch of tomato paste will create a rich, flavorful base. Building flavor starts with proper sautéing. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion, carrots, and celery, cooking them for about 8 minutes until they become wonderfully soft and translucent. Next, stir in your minced garlic, along with 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. This aromatic foundation, with the door panel removed, you can now access the mirror's mounting points. First, locate and disconnect the main electrical harness that powers your old mirror. Next, remove the 3 10mm nuts or bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Once these are off, gently pull the damaged mirror away from the vehicle. Now, take your new mirror and carefully feed its electrical harness through the door opening, aligning it properly. To finish your soup, season it generously with salt and pepper to taste, and add a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can use an immersion blender to puree about half of the soup directly in the pot. Garnish each serving with fresh chopped parsley, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, or a pinch of red pepper flakes. Enjoy your warm, hearty soup with crusty bread or a simple side salad.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.